Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to delete Watch Story Netflix application in computer. So how to delete Watch Story Netflix application in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to the Netflix application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial Netflix display. Here it is already on the initial Netflix application display. To delete the Watch Story, just move the cursor to the upper right corner. Tap the profile icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the account menu. Here how many are in the account menu. Tap the profiles menu. Well, here it is already in the profiles menu. Scroll down here, there are many menu options that can be used in the profiles menu. And then select the viewing activity menu. Here will appear a lot of my activities on Netflix. Scroll down to find the hide menu. Here there are several menu options. To delete it, tap the hide all menu. And the options will appear. Select yes, hide all my viewing activity. Well, you can see here that my Netflix Watch Story has been deleted or is no longer there. So that's it, the tutorial how to delete Netflix application Watch Story in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.